Hi, this is Abdul Karim from Khalij Times, and we're inside the Middle East's largest library, a 1 billion dirham project. The Mohammed bin Rashid Library is an aesthetic marvel, and it has and will be opening for the public on the 16th of June. Let's walk inside and explore this new cultural destination. Described as a beacon of knowledge, this 7-story building has over 1 million books and 6 million research theses. This is more than just a library, because in addition to the cafe and the 9 different libraries, they've got a dedicated centre where you can book your meeting rooms for a small fee, and you can also book your study rooms, which is located on the 2nd level of the building. One of the coolest aspects of this library is the auto store located in the basement of the building, where it has a capacity to store over 3 million books. And then once you've requested the books from wherever you are or from the information center, the robots will pick the book, find the book from the storage, and then bring it on a monorail to be distributed right here where you can collect it. Before you head out, I would really suggest you use this interactive display where you place a card and actually scroll through a book. Once again, a bit of a reminder that this library is closed on Sundays. The timings are 9 AM until 9 PM every day, apart from Friday, where it opens at 2 PM. This is Abdul Karim Hanif reporting alongside cameraman Mohammed Sajjad. Thank you for joining this tour of the Mohammed bin Rashid Library.